Okay? So ano naman itong self-regulation or self-mastery? When you recognize your emotion, you recognize your values, your vision, is that you're able to effectively act on it. Okay, so mataas ang iyong self-control. Oo, you are intentional. You do things according to plan. You're trustworthy kasi kung ano yung sinasabi mo, ginagawa mo. You have internal credibility. You are conscientious and ethical. Yung mga pinaniniwalaan mong moral compass, sinusunod mo. Alam mo how to manage your anger, no, yung mga negative emotion, those kinds of things, because you're very effective in self-talk. No, pag kinakausap mo yung sarili mo, nakikinig ka doon sa iyong konsensya, kaya nga conscientious. No? And when you have self-mastery or self-regulation, you know you can adapt to change. So hindi ka resistant sa change. You try to understand change. You see its value. And then you make an effort to adapt to change that you think are necessary. No? Yun.